Chit chat. Number 1. When do you receive gifts? आपको गिफ्ट्स कब मिलते हैं? Answer. I received gifts on my birthday and also when I get good marks in examination. Number 2. Do you like to give gifts? क्या तुम्हें गिफ्ट्स देना पसंद है? Answer. If we like to receive gifts, we should like to give gifts to others. Number 3. From whom do you get gifts? आपको गिफ्ट्स किस से मिलते हैं? आपको गिफ्ट्स कौन देता है? Answer. I get gifts from my parents, relatives, friends and neighbors. Number 4. What is the best gift that you have ever received? आपने अब तक पाया हुआ सबसे बेहतरीन गिफ्ट्स कौन सा है? Answer. I have received a bicycle on my 11th birthday from my uncle. It was best gift that I have ever received. Number 5. Why is it special for you? ये आपके लिए स्पेशल क्यों है? Answer. My uncle and I have a good bonding. My uncle loves me a lot and it is a token of his love, so it is special for me. Question. What gifts do trees give to mankind? दरख्तों ने इंसानों को कौन से गिफ्ट्स दिए हैं? Answer. Trees give the following gifts to mankind. Number 1. They give the breath of life. They maintain the balance of nature. They provide sweet fruits. They help to bring rain, which is essential for living being on the earth. And they give shelter to mankind. Question number 2a. Name 2 parts of a tree that begins with B. Branches, bark, F. Flowers, fruits, T. Trunk, tree top. Question number 2b. In most countries in the northern hemisphere, there are 4 seasons: spring, summer, autumn and winter. Try to guess what is the season in the months given below. Number 1. March, April and May. Spring. June, July, August. Summer. September, October, November. Autumn. December, January, February. Winter. Number 3. An artist paints pictures using colors. A poet or writer can also paint pictures in your mind. Imagination by using descriptive phrases. For example, blue sky, soft white clouds, floating clouds, etc. Write down the 4 such phrases which describe anything beautiful in nature. Morning sun, dense forest, jewel blue stream, flags gold beach. Margin questions. Question number 1. How do trees serve birds and animals? Answer. Trees provide shade to animals and shelter to the birds. Number 2. What do trees offer human beings? Answer. Trees offer fruits, wood and leaves to human beings. Number 3. Which parts of the trees glow first at sunrise? Answer. Green birds glow first at sunrise. Number 4. What do trees do for small kids? Answer. Trees hum a drowsy lullaby for small kids. English workshop. Question number 1. Pick from the poem words that rhymes with the following words. Fun, begun, sun. No, no, grow. Now, cow, bow. Sight, light, night. Fly, sky, lullaby. Number 2. Pick from the poem lines that create a picture in your mind. Answer. And in the spring new birds of green. B. Spread a shade for sleepy cows. C. And gather birds among their boughs. D. They are the first wind is begun to touch the beam of morning sun. E. And when moon floats on the sky, they hum a drowsy lullaby. Number 3. The poet refers to trees as the kindest things. From the poem, pick out 5 facts which prove the kindness of trees towards others. Answer. Trees spread a shade for sleeper cows. Trees give fruits. Birds gather on the boughs. Trees give wood to build houses. Trees give leaves to burn on Halloween. Number 4. Find words that describe the following. Number 1. Sleepy cows. Green new birds. Morning sun. Drowsy lullaby. And kindest trees. Number 5. Pick out lines that means the following. Number 1. Trees provide shelters for animals and spread a shade for sleepy cows. Number 2. Trees provide food for all. They give us fruit in leaves above. Number 3. Trees are most lovable. Trees are the kindest things I know. Number 4. Kids love to listen to songs from trees. They hum a drowsy lullaby of sleepy children long ago. Number 5. Trees live a simple life. They do not harm, they simply grow. Question number 6. Think and write in your own words. आपको अपने अल्फाज में लिखना है. यहाँ पर एग्जाम्पल दी जाती है, आप चाहे तो अपने अल्फाज में भी लिख सकते हैं. Number 1. What living things can cause harm to one another? Name any 5. Answer. Living things that can harm another. Number 1. Human being to human being. Human being to animals. Animals and birds to the human beings. Birds to germs and insects. Human being to trees. Why are trees called harmless? Answer. Trees are really harmless because they never harm anything anywhere in the world, whereas they help all the living things on the face of the earth. They maintain the balance of the nature. They keep the environment clean and pure. They are very helpful to the earth and the living beings on the earth. So they are really helpful and harmless. Halloween is a festival celebrated in many western countries on 31st October. What is the season there? Why do you think is there a need to burn leaves on Halloween? Answer. The season autumn in western countries is during October. I think there is a need to burn leaves on Halloween to make fire and to ward off evil spirit from their life. They are the last to hold the light when evening changes into night. Which part of the day is referred to in the above lines? Which part of the trees hold the last light of the day? Answer. The period between day and night, evening, is referred to in the above lines. The birds of the trees hold the last light of the day. Your neighbor is having a huge old banyan tree chopped down to make space for another construction. Write an imaginary conversation between you and your neighbor, trying to stop him from having it cut down and being with the following.